Hi, I'm Ntsiki, mom and early years educator. Welcome back to Early Years Unpacked, where we gently unpack childhood behavior so you can parent with clarity and confidence. Today we're talking about something small that makes a very big difference. Independence. If your child constantly say, help me, if mornings feel rushed, if it seems easier to just do everything yourself, you're not alone. But here's something we see every day in early childhood classrooms. The more adults do for children, the less confident they feel. And their lack of confidence often shows up as frustration, not laziness. Independence is not just about learning tasks, it's about building identity. Children begin to believe, I can try, I can do things myself, I am capable. That belief shapes their confidence for years to come. And confident children often experience fewer behavior struggles because they feel capable in their world. In early years classroom, educators don't rush to help right away. We pause, we watch, we give children time because struggle is a part of learning. When a child finally puts on their own shoe, even if it took a few minutes, their faces lights up with pride. That pride builds confidence, and confidence builds independence. You can start small at home. Let children put on their shoes, carry their backpack, pour their own water, help clean up toys, choose between two outfits. These small moments build big confidence. Yes, it may take longer at first, but independence grows with practice. One secret from early childhood classroom is that independence comes from environment, not just teaching. When children have low hooks, small shelves, accessible containers, step stools, they can participate more easily. When the environment fits the child, they don't need constant help. After years of watching children grow, I've noticed something important. The most confident children aren't the ones adults rush to rescue. They are the ones adults quietly believe in. Sometimes a simple sentence helps more than doing the task for them. I know you can try. Those words build confidence over time. For many families of faith, raising independent children always reflects stewardship. We guide our children, we support them, but we're also preparing them to grow into capable, confident individuals. Sometimes love means helping, and sometimes love means stepping back so they can learn to stand on their own. So this week, pause before stepping in to help. Give your child a moment to try, because every small I did it myself builds a powerful belief I can. That confidence will serve them for a lifetime. I'll see you in the next episode of Early Years Unpacked.